Hey everybody out there, this is Bill from Just for Fun Aviation. Hey, I don't know if you guys saw in the news or not, but there was an incident here at the Aero Country Airport here in McKinney, Texas, where a plane actually was unable to stop, went across the median, went through the fence, and actually hit a car. You guys don't know this or not, but I actually do a lot of filming actually right here where I'm standing, right at the very end of the runway. So if you watch any of my videos, YouTube shorts, there's a lot of videos of these planes taking off and landing right here in my hometown, McKinney, Texas. And there's also a lot of World War II and kind of vintage airplanes, which is really neat to see. So I think we're actually getting ready to see one take off here right behind me. All right, here we go. Aero Country Airport plane taking off right now, right over our heads. Another airplane coming in for a landing, Aero Country Airport. Enjoying your Sunday. This is Bill from Just for Fun Aviation. Thanks for checking out my channel.